IV therapy, specifically we'll talk about IV vitamin therapy infusions, is the practice of giving different formulas of vitamins, minerals, and some antioxidants to the patient in levels that you cannot achieve by taking them by pill form. So the goal is to saturate the cells with high levels of these nutrients that can actually influence the cells and their DNA and the overall health of the patient. There could be different reasons why somebody seeks IV vitamin therapy. Typically, one would be for immune support. So we have formulas that really help somebody that's feeling like they're coming down with a cold of our symptoms, or those that are fatigued for whatever reason. Number two would be somebody that's traveling a lot and feels tired and needs a little energy support. So we have some vitamins and elements in those bags that can support those levels of energy. Um, so there's a lot of functions depending on the formula we use. We have one that has more of an antioxidant detoxification benefit, which uses higher levels of glutathione. And glutathione is well known as a very strong antioxidant, liver support, and even does some natural chelation in by itself. The other form of IV therapies that's very popular and useful is one that really supports your immune system. And we use very high levels of vitamin C, and we're talking about 15 grams of vitamin C, all the B vitamins. We have taurine and carnitine that helps with some detoxification and energy and cellular health. And we add a little zinc as well for the immunity component. IV therapy is safe when done under the supervision of a medical professional. We need to know what is in those bags and if it's mixed properly, and make sure the patient is not having any adverse reaction to those infusions. A typical IV vitamin session will last 45 to 60 minutes. Well, when we speak about IV therapies, at Healthy Me Medical Therapies, we also offer NAD infusions. NAD is a very valuable treatment for cellular energy. It works directly with the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse or power producing cell of the component of the body. So NAD is very important and sometimes very deficient as we get older. People that have some chronic medical problems, or people that have been just abusing their bodies over time, whether it's with alcohol or drugs, it can be really supportive for those people. So NAD therapies have a range of doses which correlate with how long the IV infusion is. So we started, there's doses of 250, 500, and 750 that we use in our practice. So the 250 can be an hour, and the 750 can run as long as 4 hours. It all depends how the patient tolerates the infusion. So with IV vitamins, you do not need a doctor's prescription. We still, in our practice, recommend that you fill out some intake forms, and they are reviewed by the doctor, and to make sure there's no contraindications. We always have a medical professional in our office while you're receiving an IV infusion.